Hey, how's it going, everybody? I don't have a spearfishing video for you this week for two reasons. The first is I had a GoPro malfunction. My GoPro wasn't recording correctly. A lot of that was my fault because the screen lock got turned off, and when you dive underwater, it changed the settings. So every time I went to hit record, it did a time lapse or it did a photo or whatever, anything but cut the video. The second reason is what you see here. The water has been super rough. Storm came in. This is how it looks. Yesterday, it was pounding. The winds were ripping. The winds were coming out of the south. Got to be over 40 knots. It was really nuts. So, no diving, no fishing. There's no way we could cast into that wind. It was ridiculous. So we just took a drive down to Ali Drive, and this is the lookout into the water over there. It's just as bad. There's no safe spot on the west side. So while we were there were actually people in the water. It was nuts. It was crazy. And lo and behold, overhead, check this out. There's a rescue helicopter with a bucket. We watched this guy go back and forth a couple times. Look how slow this guy is moving. So the wind's coming from the south. He's flying into the wind. At times, this helicopter was barely moving. It was ridiculous. And it kind of pisses me off, you know, the guys who jump in the water on days like this and need to be rescued. I mean, they're putting other people's lives in danger. I mean, I've had this happen where, you know, you see people out there and it's like, dang, you know, I'm not jumping in. You know, I'm calling somebody, because in water like that, you know, the likelihood of me getting into trouble is going to be high too. So we didn't get that much done this weekend. We didn't get to work on our lot because it was rainy and windy. No diving videos, no fishing videos. We didn't dive or fish. It was really rough. In Milili, it was pouring rain. The only good thing was our water tanks filled up in like half a day. The neat thing was that we had power the whole time, though we did lose internet. Because our area lost power. You know, Helco dropped power to Milili and the surrounding area. Well, that's it for today. Take care. Like and subscribe, and aloha.